Why do upgraded brakes make your four-wheel drive stop so much better? Watch this. Okay, let's start right here with the rotor. They've made this one here out of a better metal composition, so it's stronger, lasts longer, and it doesn't warp, which is important if you're going to go through cold river crossings. Bendix have come up with their own fin design in here that means the cold air touches more brake surface, meaning it'll cool quicker. When braking hard, heat causes gases to form from the compound in the pads. On a flat rotor, they get caught between the pad, which can prevent higher levels of friction. These X dimples here help the gas escape. That means we can add more friction to stop your four-wheel drive better. And that's where this bad boy comes in. The kit comes with Bendix brake pads that will provide more friction than standard, thanks to their unique composition. You also get braided brake lines, which give you better clamping force than rubber, plus they're less prone to getting damaged when four-wheel driving. For more information, why don't you visit bendix.com.au.